a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin, 1 mushed avocado, and a tablespoon of pesto. That was either Trader Joe's or Costco. 1 Portabella mushrooms. After washing it and cutting it. So I put on the mushrooms, Portabella mushrooms, and chopped half a tomato and a fresh ground pepper, coarse. It's really good. And then I put in some of this beautiful wine in there to, help them feel good. Makes a little sauce too. And yeah. Look at that. Now we'll let them simmer on there for a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna mix in the avocado and pesto in this. Yeah, beautiful thing. Love, 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 yeah. I'll put a nice, beautiful handful of love in there, yeah, always. And this sauce is pretty much like ready. Yeah, I'm gonna turn down the flame. 9 ounces of crab ravioli. Wow, I can't wait to taste them. The water's boiling. I put the salt in the water, otherwise it don't taste very good. You put the tortellini in there. It won't take very long to cook because the directions say cook the ravioli for 4 minutes. And then we're gonna mix it together with the pesto. Okay, there they are. Mixed and ready to eat. There's enough here for at least 2 people. You see the ravioli, their crab meat ravioli, and portabella mushrooms, a tablespoon of pesto, 1 avocado smashed up with the pesto, olive oil, a little tiny bit of salt, and fresh ground pepper, and white wine. So it's a moment of truth. To see how it tastes. Look at this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's very, very good. Yeah. Cook with love. Cook for yourself, for your taste buds. You never go wrong. Peace and love to you, and spread it around. Thank you.